Hey y'all, so I just received this 5x5 Glueless 22-inch wig. And we're going to install it real quick because I got somewhere to go. Even though it's glueless, I'm still a glue girly. And I'm going to put my layers down. I'm going to do 2 layers since I gotta go and since it's glueless. And I'll get right to y'all. Okay, so it's still a little bit white. I ain't never put it down when it was white, so don't say nothing. But today, I'm gonna do it because I gotta go. And we're gonna see how it turns out. You got that thing that a nigga look hard for, but I can't call it. What is it? I'm telling you, babe, keep at it. You turn me to an addict, but it's definitely not a love thing. Y'all, this wig is very soft and cute, and I definitely recommend buying this wig.